What is going on, YouTube? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Let's share a screen here. Morning. Look at that, man. 140-point move right there. Nasdaq just ripped on up all the way up to here. We took some partials down here, a little bit more here. We sold another 3. We took 10 micro trades on this. We're on the $50,000 funded account. 3 partials here, 3 here, 3 here. Probably could have done a little bit of a better job selling those slightly higher. But that's all right. We left one runner, trailed that up to over 140 points. Nasdaq started closing below the 21 EMA right here at 12:16 Eastern time. Knew we were probably running into some trouble. We're going to start heading back down. We kind of created this channel right here. Once we broke below, it kind of hit our stop loss in the green and we were done. Now it's kind of pushing back up. That was kind of the fake out maybe before the pump. Maybe we'll continue to go back up here. Not sure, but what a trade. Nasdaq moving beautifully today for us. We got that 15-minute opening range here. That's what these 2 yellow lines are. Kind of chopped around at the bottom of it on VWAP for a while. And then we had big news come out at 10 a.m. Eastern this morning. Dropped the market about 100 points. Probably could have taken a short right here and grabbed some more as we came down to this 969 pivot point. We didn't take that. We kind of waited. We were patient. We got in long once we kind of knew we were kind of bouncing back up. We got in long up here at the 39s. Probably maybe could have got in a little bit lower, but hey, we caught over 140 points on that. It blasted through this pivot point, blasted through VWAP, came back up into the bottom of the 15-minute opening range, tested the halfway point. That's what this light blue line is. The idea is that if we start closing above that halfway point, we'll probably continue up. Tested the top of the 15-minute range, pushed up more, came up to this pivot point, pushed up more, created this channel, broke out down, stopped us out in the green. That was, we had a losing day yesterday. Today's a green day. We'll probably just stop trading now for the rest of the day. Just, take our green day and be done. Tomorrow's a new day, Wednesday. We're on day 2 of 10 right now with the Apex $50,000 funded account. 8 more days to go. So smooth and steady is the name of the game right now. Unlike when we were passing the evals, we were trying to pass them in one day. With the funded account, we have 10 days. So smooth and steady is the name of the game right now. So if you look at our accounts up here, we got this eval still at 54,000. We can convert that to a $50,000 funded account when we're ready. We got another one that's passed at 53,500. We can convert that to a $50,000 funded. We got this other fresh $50,000 eval. Maybe we'll trade that this afternoon, see if we can get that passed as well. And then we got our funded account right here, sitting at $50,146, so only $146 in the green. But we had a red day yesterday, made up for it today. Here's our P&L for today: $542 on the morning, not bad. Won 100% of our trades. That trade we were in was for an hour and 32 minutes. So we just kept trailing our stop loss up and up and up as we formed higher lows, higher lows. I kept moving it up 10 points here, 20 points here. But there it is, 140 points. Got in at 39, out at 179. And we just had our first 100-point mover of our career on the eval, and now I just hit 140 points on a funded account. So today's a good day. I think we won't probably enter any more trades on the funded account for today, but maybe we'll hop into this eval here and try to rack up some profits in that. Get that passed, and then we'll have 3 accounts sitting on the back burner ready to convert to funded accounts. So if you're new to prop firm trading or new to Apex, you can have up to 20 accounts. So if you have 20 $50,000 accounts, it's $1 million in capital. And essentially, if you had a $500 day on one account, if you copy trade across those other 19 accounts, well, You know, I'm not super good at math, but $500 times 20 accounts would have been a $10,000 morning. You know, that'll pay the bills. So if you guys don't know a little bit about my past, I sold solar since 2019. Making $10,000 on one sale was pretty normal. But to be able to do that consistently before lunch, Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, was not normal. So trading's a lot better, man. I'm loving it. I'm loving the journey. I've learned so much. We got so much more to probably learn and keep going. Um, but yeah, guys, stay tuned. That's pretty much it. Wanted to keep this video short and simple. Nasdaq kind of low volume right now as we're going into lunch hour. We got power hour coming up at 3 o'clock. So 2 hours away. I'm going to go for a run, go eat some lunch, exercise, go hang out with the dogs outside for a little bit, and we'll come back for power hour, maybe do some trading in the eval, see if we can get that one passed or not, if we see any of our setups. The Nasdaq kind of just trading around right above this pivot point, above the 15-minute opening range now. But yeah, guys, good day. Great day. Made up for our losses yesterday. Let's keep up this momentum. Stay tuned. That's it. All right. Peace out, y'all.